Hello, it's been a while since I've put any videos together. This is just a little video to show what my current issue is, but obviously if you've read the title you'll already know. Which is a common thing from what I've read online. I'm hoping that it's just going to be some debris in where the pollen filter goes rather than the cracked casing. However, I've just come out and it started raining again. That's the only reason I'm looking at it now. But I'll show you my current situation. It's pretty bad, so it might be a crack. And then we'll go outside, I'll get wet, and I'll try and video as much as possible. But it is, from what I've read online, pretty easy to do. But hopefully I can show you the debris, because I couldn't find any pictures of anybody else's with debris in, so we'll see. But yeah, this is my current problem. So as you can see, it's literally dripping, and the passenger side is soaking. So we're just going to take these 4 Phillips screws out, and then we should be able to see the filter and see if there's any shit in there. Right, that's the filter out, and there's my issue. The tray's got a big crack in it. Someone's obviously tried to seal it before, and then that's making the water leak straight through the filter. So I'm going to just go online and see if I can order a new tray. If not, I'll have to try and repair this one. I have got some sealant upstairs. I'll try and repair this one for now and order a new one. So this is my bodge complete. I peeled all the old stuff off, cleaned it up, used a bit of just tube glue for the crack first, let that dry, and then I've just put some generic sealer over on both sides. But as you can see there, that corner, it's all cracked away. It shouldn't be like that, so I'm going to have to order one anyway. But hopefully this will at least reduce the amount of water that's coming in. But yeah, so that's what you have to look for if you've got water leaking in.